How to install and uninstall application in Windows operating system. Okay, in this video I just want to walk you through on how to install application and uninstall it. To install application, I have this particular one here known as a VLC media player, and this is the one I want to use as example. First, you need to download or get your application that you want to install, and I've gotten mine, which is this. I downloaded it through Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Okay, so to install application, simply double click on it or right click and click open. So it gives you the pop-up, you simply say yes. Now you are going to get the installation window or installation wizard such as this. It's going to be asking you brief questions, and all you need to know is to answer it one by one. Okay, so here I have to choose language, so I'm leaving it on English, so simply click OK. Okay, now you're going to get this option, read whatever displays here to understand it more. Then after, you click on next to continue. Okay, so here you read the license agreement, and you can take your time to go through it, understand what the application is all about, the agreement, before you proceed. So if you agree with the agreement, simply click on next, and then here you choose the components you want to install, so you can check and uncheck any of these menus or any of these options. Okay, so but I'm leaving it at the default, so all you need to do is to click on next. Okay, now you are set and ready to install. Say choose location where you want to install the app. So I can choose a location to install the app, and I'm leaving it at the default as well. If not, I can easily click on browse to browse any location of my choice. So I'm leaving it at this C driver, program files, and so on. Okay, so simply click on install, and then you give it a time to do the installation. Now the apps may vary depending on the app you want to install. Some may request for serial number, some may request for activation, some may request for product number, and so on. Okay, so you can get your app online, as I said before, either by downloading it for free if the app is free, or you can purchase it online. Okay, so you have to give it time to do the installation, and this time may vary depending on the application you're installing. Some are very fast, some takes more time. Okay. All right, so this one is done. I have successfully installed it, and if I want to launch it, I can simply click here that say run VLC media player. Okay, so if I check this, that means I can click on a finish without running it. If I want to run it, I click on it and click on finish. Okay, so once I do that and I give it a time, it's going to try to open the VLC media player. Now this VLC media player, I personally prefer it in play music because it plays almost all the music and videos that other applications cannot play. Okay, so I'm going to close this. So that is how to install any application that you want. Yes, so you can install anyone. All these applications you see here, I downloaded them and I installed them. Okay, so I only use this one for example. All right, to uninstall application, all you need to do is to come to the search bar here and search for the application, search for control panel. Yeah, so simply type control panel, click on it. Okay, then you have this option here that's programs, uninstall a program. So click on uninstall program, and you will see all the programs that you have installed in your computer, all the applications. So locate which one you want to uninstall. So in this case, I want to install VLC media player. Okay, so to uninstall it, simply click on it and come up here and click on uninstall or change. Okay, I can also right click on it and then select uninstall. So I can quickly uninstall it, then give me option, and I say yes, I want to uninstall it. Okay, the procedure to uninstall is also very simple. Just read whatever that is written here and then click on the next, then uninstall. Yes, uninstall. So you give it a time and it's going to do its work and uninstall. Okay, although as I've uninstalled it, I'm also going to install it back because I need the application. All right, so that is how to uninstall any application that you want. Okay, another method is to come to your search bar, search for the application. Let's assume I want to uninstall um WinRAR, so I can type WinRAR. Okay, then I have this. So any application you want to uninstall, the shortcut is to search for it here. Then you see this option that say open. Click on this small down arrow, and then you see option that say uninstall. So if I click on this, I can also from there uninstall it, and it automatically opens the control panel again, taking me down here where I can then choose the app and uninstall it. So which is this one. So if I click on it, I can then come up here and say uninstall. So I don't want to uninstall it, so I'm going to ignore that. Okay, so that is how to uninstall. So if you have any question, you can ask on the comment section. If you find any difficulty in installing any app, as a beginner, you can also ask me on the comment section and I can show you how to do it. Okay, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.